Ever struggled to make consistent profits in the Forex market during the London session? You're not alone, but today we're going to change that. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll dive into proven London session strategies that can help you maximize your profits in the Forex market. Trading during the London session can be a double-edged sword. While it offers great opportunities, it also comes with high volatility and unpredictable price movements. Many traders find it challenging to navigate through the noise and end up making costly mistakes. Let's look at some popular strategies that traders use during the London session. First, we have the breakout strategy, which involves identifying key levels of support and resistance and trading the breakout. Next, there's momentum trading, where traders capitalize on the strong trends that often occur during the London session. Lastly, news trading is crucial as significant economic news from the UK and Europe may create profitable opportunities. Using these London session strategies can significantly boost your trading performance. The increased liquidity and volatility offer more trading opportunities, and the potential for higher profits is substantial, if you know how to harness these strategies effectively. To wrap up, utilizing London session strategies is essential for Forex traders aiming for success. Remember the key points: breakouts, momentum trading, and news trading. These can make a huge difference in your trading results. Now it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Try them out and let us know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Forex trading tips and strategies, and visit our website bestfxmarkets.com for greater detail on these strategies. It's time to create your winning trading formula.